Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this cute but super easy to do hairstyle using this eye part, no leave out, no lace, no glue, no tape, none of that extra stuff, kinky curly wig. So let's get into it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how, rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but your girl is back. And today I'm going to show you guys how to do this super cute and easy hairstyle using this eye part wig from Ilikehair. And y'all, I am just so obsessed with their packaging, and the bag is like good quality. I love it. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So when I opened it, the first thing I got out of there was like a cute little card that says hi and a way you could save some money, how you can win $20, a rat tail comb, which I'm going to be using, and a wig cap. I may not use that, but yeah, we go get it done. And a cute little pouch with some hair clips and an edge control brush inside. And now I have the wig and also a cute little elastic band. And I love this elastic band, y'all, but we go get into that later. So of course the hair has a fishnet on it so it could keep the hair in good condition and doesn't knot up and tangle, but I'm still going to go ahead and finger detangle real quick. And y'all, I absolutely love this texture. It's about a 4B 4C. It is called their eye part kinky curly wig, and this wig is an eye part, not a U part, because it's intentionally made so you don't have to have no glue, no lace, no tape, and no leave out. So you could just put it right on if you have some braids or if you're in between wigs or anything like that. So you have 6 clips right here, 3 on each side. So you just go ahead and scoop it under your braid and create like an eye shape. So there's another clip right here for extra security, and of course 2 more clips where the air flaps are at, and 1 more clip in the back along with 2 drawstring elastic bands. And it also comes with another elastic band that's pretty much like a bra strap design. And I just really love the overall convenience of this whole wig. No leave out, no lace, no glue, and I don't have to sew on an elastic band. I just literally take it and hook it right onto the hooks that's constructed into the wig, and it was super adorable and super easy to do. So now I'm going to go ahead and adjust it to the second hook. There's 3 hooks, and you just size it to your head size. But I'm going to go ahead and get this wig a nice little co-wash, so let's go. So now I'm just going to put this wig underneath some lukewarm water, and I just want to make sure that all the hair is saturated. And guys, after I hit it with that warm water, it definitely started to already bring it back to life a little bit. I feel like it just needed a little more oomph, you know? After you wash hair or co-wash it with some conditioner, it usually brings it back to life. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some conditioner and put it all over. I don't know why I did it so sloppy and crazy like that. But yeah, this conditioner and the warm water brought this hair back to life. There was a little bit of shedding, not much. Usually curly hair has a lot of shedding, so that wasn't that bad. And there was a little more throughout me washing it, but it wasn't too much, and I love that. But yeah, the hair was so soft, so easy to detangle. It didn't get caught too much. It was just so, it feels just like natural hair, honestly. Like, it's so soft, and I just absolutely love this texture. So I went in with a brush after I rinsed out all the conditioner, and guys, look how soft and bouncy this hair is. Like, it looks so natural. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed with this hair texture, and I'm excited to put it on. Like, look how easy that was. Like, it really detangled so fast. It's so pretty and so natural looking, and the eye part looks so good. Like, I think after I washed it, it made it look even better. It looks like there's leave out when there's absolutely no leave out. So I went ahead and put the wig in like 4 little twisties because I'm gonna go ahead and dry it a little bit. But guys, look how good that eye part looks. I'm absolutely obsessed. So I'm just taking my blow dryer with my diffuser on it, and I'm just making sure that the inside of the wig is super dry before I apply it. So I'm just gonna diffuse and dry the rest of the hair once the wig is already on my head. And y'all, do not come for my braids because I do not know how to braid. These look absolutely crazy, but I had to make sure my hair was laying super flat for the install of this wig. So I'm just going to twist these braids, or whatever you want to call them, up and go ahead and pin that over to the other side. And guys, I went ahead and adjusted the elastic band on the wig to the third strap because I want to make sure that it's super snug on my head and laying super flat. And I'm going to take the elastic bands that's constructed into the wig and adjust those just so everything is nice and snug. Now I'm taking the comb that's in the back of the wig and go ahead and dig that up into my braid and do the same with the combs where the air flaps are. And what I like about this wig is the eye part combs, the combs where the eye part is at, they're able to like pop open and pop close. So after you dig it under the braid, you could go ahead and pop it closed, and I love that because it just gives a little extra more security than just a comb that just digs under. And look how good that look, y'all. I was like, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other combs open, dig those under my braid and pop it closed, and boom, that was just so easy to do, guys. So while the hair is still a little damp, I'm going to take a little of my Pure Majik Natural Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Blend and just literally a little bit and take it and apply it in the hair. And this oil is super lightweight, so it doesn't weigh the hair down anyway, so I think it was perfect to add before I went ahead and diffused the hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and diffuse, and this is on like a medium heat. It's not super hot, and look how much bigger the hair got. So just to add a little more volume, I'm going to go ahead and take my pick and start to separate the curls because they do tend to stick together after you wash. And I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and add some layers to the front of the hair just to frame my face a little more because I just felt like it just needed more volume, more I seen more potential with this wig. So I went ahead and just started chopping away. So I went ahead and added some layers, and look how much better this looks, guys. Like, I'm absolutely in love with how natural this wig looks. Like, you can't tell me that's not my hair. And y'all already know I had to go ahead and get cute and do my makeup. And remember, guys, that this is not a V part or a U part wig. This is an I part wig. So you want to make sure the part is aligned with your natural part. So I'm going to go ahead and take the edge control brush that came with the wig and swoop my baby hair and make it, you know, look a little more natural. And I just love how quick and easy this was to do. It's so natural and pretty. Go ahead and check the description box down below to find this wig along with a discount code. You know your girl got you. And here is a clip of me in my car a few hours later, just showing you guys what the hair looks like, and it's just so natural and pretty. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Mwah.